Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the server ready. Install the Windows Server Backup feature and confirm disk health and updates. Once done, open Windows Server Backup and choose an immediate action. Create a backup schedule. Select Full Server for complete recovery or custom to pick volumes. Make sure to pick a reliable destination, external USB, SAN, or SMB share, and verify free space. You want the job created now, so the system captures the current state and boot configuration for later restore. You now configure the middle steps. Choose VSS-aware backups so running apps stay consistent. Select which volumes to include and add system state for Active Directory or boot files. This is why restores succeed. Schedule the job during off-peak hours and set retention and frequency, daily or weekly, based on RPO. For applications like SQL, use application-aware backups or native backups plus file level as needed. Once configured, set credentials for network destinations and run a test backup to validate. You finish by running the initial backup and validating it. Check Windows Server Backup results and Event Viewer for errors, then verify that files and system state are present. Make an off-site copy or sync to cloud storage for disaster resilience. Automate notifications so you know when a job fails. If a backup fails, first check VSS writers and permissions. Often resetting VSS and ensuring service accounts can access the destination fixes the issue. Finally, perform regular restore tests so you trust the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.